Hello everybody, thank you for watching my videos and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And today in this video I want to talk to you about the Johnnie Walker ashtrays. I do have an ashtray here for the Johnnie Walker Gold Label 18. And this is one of my favorite ashtrays for several different reasons. Over the years, Johnnie Walker has come up with many kinds of beautiful, just very beautiful ashtrays that are extremely collectible. Even people who don't even smoke collect the ashtrays because they are just so beautiful. And this is one of them. But one characteristic of the Johnnie Walker ashtrays, most of them were for cigarettes, not for cigars. And I don't even smoke cigarettes. You know, I do enjoy a cigar every now and then. And this ashtray is for cigars. It has a big space here to set your cigars there. And another characteristic of the Johnnie Walker ashtrays over the years was that they were made out of ceramic or even plastic, or some of them were tin, but mostly they were just white ceramic. Some of them, as I said, very beautiful. But this is different, and I usually like different things. And one of the things that I like about this one, it says, let's see if you can read that. Put something white on, okay. It says Johnnie Walker Gold 18. Okay, so nowadays we have the Gold Label Reserve, like that one. But before, we used to have the Gold Label 18. So it was gold and 18 at the same time. What we have now is just the Gold Label Reserve, or you can have an 18. Let me see if I find one here. Okay, here we go. This is an 18, but it's not gold. So nowadays you have 18 or gold. But in the past, we used to have it like this, gold 18. And this is the ashtray that came out with that kind of bottle, with a gold label, 18 years old. And look at this. This is heavy. This, I don't know if you can tell, but this is heavy. It is glass. It's not plastic. And I just love this color. The color is like an amber, honey color, the color of the actual whiskey. That is what it's supposed to imitate there. And it is just that beautiful amber color that you have there. So, as I said, I don't smoke very often, but when I have a good whiskey, sometimes I want to enjoy a good cigar also, and having a good ashtray to go with it, to go with the same whiskey. It's a set, you know. You're having a gold label. Let me see. There we go. This box is fancy too. The bottle does not go straight. It goes at an angle in there. So when you have it like this, it either goes this way or this way, but it's not front. And that's the mother and the kids. There you go. This bottle also has a big chunk of glass at the bottom. You see that? How much glass there is there? That usually means it's a good whiskey. It's an exceptional whiskey that you're having there, because they went through the trouble of spending a lot of money on the glass at the bottom to make it fancy and taller like that. And I do have a lot of these. I very much enjoy having the gold label, even though this is the new one. This is not the gold label 18, but I do have the gold, and I have a bunch of gold, and I have a bunch of 18 too, because what happens is when we have tastings, and I buy a bunch of these mini sets for tastings like this, you see. When we have the tastings, I try to open one of each and have people experience all of them, but everybody just wants to go for the blue most of the times. So what happens is we open these and the blues get drank first, and whatever we have left over, I have bunches of these, and I'll tell you more about that in my next video, what I do with all those leftovers that I have. So talk to you soon.